You ever look at a crypto chart and wonder where the price is going to head next? Well, the answer might not be on the chart itself, but hiding in plain sight in two powerful tools. Welcome back to Byte Crypto Academy, where you master crypto one byte at a time. Today, we're breaking down two key trading tools, the order book and market depth. By the end, you'll see how these reveal liquidity, support, and resistance levels, the hidden forces that move the market. Let's start with the absolute basics. The order book. The order book is a live list of all buy and sell orders on an exchange. On one side, you have the bids. These are the prices buyers want to pay. On the other, the asks, what sellers want to get. So picture this. If Bitcoin is trading around $30,000, the order book shows you all the buyers lined up at $29,900, $29,800, and the sellers queued up at $30,100, $30,200, and so on. Here's the critical takeaway. The order book is your liquidity map. A thick list of orders means a liquid market. You can buy or sell a decent amount without causing a price riot. A thin, sparse order book? That's a liquid, where even a small trade can send the price soaring or crashing. Now, let's level up to market depth. If the order book is the list of orders, market depth is the visualization of how strong those orders are. It shows you the cumulative weight of all those buys and sells at every price level. A deep market has huge volume stacked across many prices, stable and harder to move. A shallow market has few orders, fragile and volatile. And here's the golden insight. Market depth reveals hidden support and resistance zones. A massive wall of buy orders below price equals strong support, a safety net where buyers are waiting. A huge wall of sell orders above price equals strong resistance, a ceiling where sellers are eager to take profit. These invisible walls often shape where the market bounces or stalls. So, why should you care? Because together, these tools give you a massive tactical advantage. The order book tells you how liquid the market is, how easily you can get in or out of a trade. Market depth shows you where the big battles between buyers and sellers are happening. It points you directly to potential support and resistance. Together, they help you spot short-term moves, identify strong levels, and trade with more confidence. Of course, no tool guarantees the future. Big orders can be canceled or moved. Always use the order book in depth alongside charts and risk management. Here's the recap. Order book equals your liquidity map. Market depth equals your support and resistance map. If you got one byte of value from this, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know in the comments. What crypto concept should we simplify next? Thanks for watching Byte Crypto Academy, where you master crypto one byte at a time.